What's going on, guys? Your boy G here. We're in the cock section. Everybody seemed to pick their own boxes. I pretty much have everybody in my where they belong in my head. So it's all good. The son of the egg from Kenny's on the top shelf over there. The grandson I'm talking about, that's him up there. And then on the bottom here, this is Alex Beach. And then over there, that's the grandson to the egg, which is this checker in the middle from the feeder. It's about to go up. That's Jimmy Lewis. Next one down. Two reds in the back. This guy in front of us here belongs on this one. That other Jimmy Lewis with the tick in his eye right there. The checker with next to the red. Right over there. He belongs on this bottom one here. The dark checker white flight. He belongs up here. So everybody's already took into their box, and there's one extra box over here. 16 boxes, 15 cocks in here. Then I have 4 cocks in that section over there. There's 12 boxes in there, and I got 4 cocks. Once everybody has made it up and took in their box with the female, then that door will remain open so they can go see outside. Right now, these cocks can't go outside. They still get the natural daylight. They just don't go outside. These cocks in here, these are the ones that I'm not breeding. Those 3. You know what, there's 4. Because the cocks got over here yesterday. And I know there's 4. Just gotta find them. I don't want him messing everything up for me. Here he is, right here in front. Right there. Come here, buddy. That's him, all right. Grandson to the freak. Listen, this door, I don't know how this door was open. All the cocks came in here. The droppers, everything came in here. This is a beauty right here, this blue ball. That's an Armand Doobie with the Tony Bernardo. The best of Armand Doobie, the best of Tony Bernardo on both sides. Here's a nice Jimmy Lewis red head. Super beautiful. You know, I think sometimes there's good pigeons out there from other fanciers that fly well, of course. And there's nothing bad to have those type of birds. you want to try your luck with them, correct? But it's like, if you can find somebody that flies very well in your area, correct, and you like their results, that's all that has to matter, is that you like what they do. They don't need to be on top every week, but if you like what they do, go get their pigeons. Ask them. Tell them to teach you. If it's, you're a beginner in the sport, hook up with them, call them once a week. Ask them to come over on a Saturday, every Saturday, until you realize that, okay, let me give this guy a break before he kills me. But instead of going out there on these expensive websites, paying $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $1,000, $2,000 for birds, it's crazy. And then you buy that bird that you paid $1,500 for, and the bird doesn't do nothing. And the bird that you gave $100 to a good fancier, that bird is producing fantastic. And now you can sell that bird that you spent $1,500 because of the name, but you're not gonna get the $1,500, so you still lose. But everybody has their own preference. Everybody goes their own path. I got the Frank McLaughlin birds here, and Kenny White, and Jimmy Lewis, and one from this guy, one from that guy, here and there. But the main one is from Kenny and Frank. That's it. And now I'm introducing the Jimmy Lewis blood again. But that's all you guys gotta do. You guys don't gotta go out there and spend all these big money. Look at these birds. These birds are fantastic. This white boy. He's a beauty. Jimmy Lewis is one of the best pigeon fanciers out here. What he has done in the sport is incredible. He's a great guy. He helped me out in my first days in the beginning. I won with his pigeons. I did well with his pigeons. And again, I can't really train the pigeons because of the job that I do and family, kids, and the bird. It was all about the bird that day. Oh, quiet. You're staying single this year. How you like that? Over there crying. Stop crying. That's it, guys. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's going to have a great young bird season. I mean, young breeding season. Breeding the young birds. Yeah, the light's been on all night. It's probably the first week the light's been on. All the birds are all done. I don't medicate. It's been 5 years this year. 5 years since I've medicated the birds. Believe me, guys, medication is necessary. And coccidiosis, you don't know if none of these birds don't have coccidiosis, salmonella, they're all carriers, but it's how you control the levels. That's what counts, and like to give the natural remedies, the apple cider vinegar, just like everybody else does. You know, once a week this, once a week that. You don't need to put in the water every single day. No, these birds need clean water. They need it. So, see, this is something that I don't like that I'm gonna fix next year. This over here, the cocks having to go with the females. But then again, once the breeding season's over, the females are gonna go inside there. And those 4 cocks are gonna come out here. So I'm probably gonna put some perches over there, some perches down here, you know, just for the birds, really. But then I gotta cover it up, so I'm gonna come up with something that I just put some plywood on the inside and just something like this. Flip a latch, put the plywood in, it sticks in, it stays in place. It moves, but it'll stay in place. And then comes the off season and take it out, or on season, take it out, whatever it is. I want to see what this Alex Beach does with the black hen that I put with him. I want to see what they all do this year, you know. I got over 20 something young birds left from the season, and they're pretty good. They're doing good, not bad. Alright guys, well, just showing you guys the birds, and hope everybody's doing well. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye now.